Listen, by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to play the progression of this part of Jireh. Let's get into it. So let's start in the very beginning. This is the part that absolutely everybody can play. We're in the key of E flat. So we're gonna start off with the tones of the scale. So we're gonna go 5, Jireh, you are enough, 6, 4, 1. So that's the first part of the progression. Jireh, you are enough. So we're gonna go 5, B flat major on the right hand, F, B flat, D, Jireh, 6. We're gonna go C minor, so that's G, C, E flat, you are enough. Go to the 4. On the 4, we're gonna play A flat major, so A flat, C, E flat, and then go to the 1, E flat major, G, B flat, E flat. And then you repeat that. Jireh, you are enough. Now listen, if you are more advanced, make sure that you hang around because I got a lot more coming for you. And so, you are enough. And then the second progression goes, I will be content, 5, 6, in every circumstance, 2, every. On 2, we're gonna go F minor, at C, F, A flat, circumstance, E flat major, B flat, E flat, G, and then Jireh, you are enough, 5, 6, 4, 1. All right, so now let's take it up a notch. Now let's go to the second level to make our chords sound more full. So we're gonna go 5. I'm gonna play a B flat major, add 9 on 5. F, B flat, C, D, Jireh, and then we're gonna play a C minor chord on the right hand. You are enough. On the 4, we're gonna play A flat major, add 9. A flat, B flat, C, E flat, F hand, A flat, E flat. You are enough. And then we'll go to the 1. On the 1, I'm playing the E flat major, add 9. F, G, B flat, E flat. So, now listen, we're about to spice it up just a little bit more in a few. Let's get this next progression down real quick. I will be content in every. And every is gonna be an F minor chord, C, F, A flat, left hand, F and C, circumstance. Then we're gonna land on the 1, E flat, major, add 9. And then we go, Jireh, you are enough. Now let's take it up another notch. Let's go up to the 3rd level. Now, when we do this, what we're doing is we're adding more spice to it. We're keeping it simple, but we're doing what's necessary. So we're gonna go, Jireh, you are enough. Jireh, you are enough. And then we're gonna go, I will be content every circumstance. Jireh, you are enough. So we'll do like, so this is what I'm doing. I'm doing leading tones, simple stuff. It's simple, but it's tasteful. You know what I mean? Playing the accent on the E flat or the 1 before I go to the 5. And then the leading tone to the 6. Little stuff like that. You are enough. And then go to the 4. And then instead of just playing the A flat major chord, I'm breaking it up really quick. You see what I'm doing? Jireh, you are enough. It's the little things a lot of times that makes you more, makes you sound better. And then we'll go, I will be content. I will be content. So that's 5, 6. I will be content in every circumstance. You see how I'm leading with the leading tones or the melody line? I will be content in every circumstance. Just embellishing on the melody. G, B flat, C, E flat, J, leading tones. You are enough. So there you go. Jireh, you are enough. So now I'm officially on school. I have a group coaching program that is about, it's more than just teaching you chords. It's more than just teaching songs. This is about transformation. This is about helping you become confident and helping you become the church musician that your church needs and that your pastor wants. Click the link above or below this video, or you can see it in my bio, and I'll see you in school.